It's clear we have a problem, but a bigger struggle for Austin is coming up with the scooter solution.
We told you on Tuesday the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention finished its 3-month-long study of scooter-related injuries in Austin. 190 people were injured, half of them severely. Today, we getting some interesting perspective on where those injuries happened. The city plotted them for us. As you can see, those injuries are scattered all around Austin. The city says public education could be the key to preventing more injuries. But going in depth, KXAN's Eugene Cho spoke with some who have a more specific idea.
It was like hitting a brick wall almost.
A scooter ride on his way to work ended with Paul Cloud now being on these crutches, doing physical therapy and just trying to get better.
I just don't have the range of motion that I used to have.
Cloud broke the end of his femur.
Yeah, I kind of do an abrupt stop, and it wasn't like I hit anything, wasn't any bump.
And because he doesn't have health insurance,
I have like $43,000.
that's after working with the hospital to reduce the bill.
Companies should take responsibility for as far as providing some kind of insurance. I mean, okay, if you rent a car, you have the option to get insurance. So it would be good if we had some kind of option for that.
The Austin City Council is scheduled to meet later this month to discuss scooter regulations. When they do, Attorney Brad Bonilla says their top priority should be looking at different ways they can hold scooter companies accountable.
If you look at the way the state of Texas regulates rideshare, Uber, Lyft, there is an insurance requirement.
If the city or state had that requirement for scooters, Bonilla says it would help people like Cloud.
You can do that and still ticket the bad riders.
Eugene Cho, KXAN News.
That CDC study did not ask whether the injured scooter riders had medical insurance. The cost of an injury, the hospital bills, costs associated with missing work, that is something the Public Health Department says they could look into as the city continues to study the impact of having e-scooters in Austin.